Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Victoria, and today I'm finally doing like a makeover, get ready with me, maintenance. It's literally like Thanksgiving Day. Get ready anyway. But yeah, but this time I'm taking you along with me because also excuse the background. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I don't know how I'm gonna do my hair. But yeah, let's just get right into this video. This is my get ready with me bag. I have some extra face wash, and I think I'm gonna put this on my ends right now. Here's some makeup removing oil and my face brush and some shampoo and conditioner. So I'm gonna do this before I jump into the actual shower. I'm just gonna do some lymph brushing. This is an empty bottle that I was like trying to recycle, so I was gonna put like some DIY hair oil or treatment before I jump into the shower, so we'll see what I even do with that. And here's the soap and some body oil and some scented for when you're on your monthly, and some shaving gel. Actually, I just have this in here. I don't even use it when I'm not on my thing, so this could go off to the side because I just literally just put my like shower hand into here so this stuff gets wet. And like I don't even know what I'm talking like. But yeah, into the shower.
What's up, you guys? Good morning. If you hear my grandmother talking, I'm like really sorry. It's 7 a.m. and she's talking to her best friend. My grandmother's best friend is family members with Barbara Eden, so my grandma's picking up that phone, you know. We're gonna go downstairs, okay, because I need to open a few packages and I don't want to look like this anymore. It's Monday. I love Mondays to restart the week. Mondays are like the weekend to me. I don't know why. I just, yeah, anyways, so let's go.
Concealer, foundation. Kind of yellow.
Alright, so if you've made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click on the subscribe button and make sure you click the notification bell as well so you will be notified the next time I upload another video. So if you also like this get ready with me and maintenance little vlog, go ahead and hit the thumbs up because there are so many more unboxings that I have in store for you. And so right now I'm going to finish up this vlog with a maintenance get ready with me unboxing, and I have my most favorite waist trainer compression garment, waist training vest, faja, you know. So here it is right here, and I've been waiting so long for this. I was so excited that they were in stock. Without further ado, here are my waist trainers. I literally got a medium and a small. gosh. I've never seen a nude vest before. This is really cool. This is super amazing to me. Because right now I have the black one on. See? And you can't really tell with this wrap dress. It actually does a really good job at hiding it. This tank is underneath the garment and the waist trainer is on top. So like I said, this dress does a really good job at hiding it. So this is a medium, and I have a medium on right now, but I feel like it's like kind of getting not as like compressed as I wanted, because I've been wearing it all month long and I've been doing such a good job. I'm like so happy that I've just been wearing a waist trainer for as long as I have. I literally wear it all day. So as soon as I wake up, I'm putting it on between 7 a.m. 9 a.m. and I'm wearing it all the way until I go to bed. And sometimes I even wear it to bed and then I'll wake up in the middle of the night and I'll just take it off. But what sets apart everything else, like my results and stuff, is this. So I literally wear an ab board underneath, and yeah, so usually with a waist trainer, it's like training your waist to like curve it more. But the vest that I like completely adore helps with like bra fat, and I'm just like really excited. I want to put this on right now. I'm like lost for words. I'm like so excited, and I'm so thrilled that like I finally have the nude and I don't have to wear the black one anymore. I don't work out in it. You're not really supposed to work out in it. There's other stuff that you can wear to work out, so it helps shrink the fat cells in the tummy area. You don't really want to wear a waist trainer or compression garment while you work out, because basically like you won't be able to train your abdomen right. That's what I heard from a personal trainer. So there are times where I don't wear a waist trainer while I'm strength training. But say if I'm like doing cardio, or if I'm doing stairs, or if I'm doing the elliptical or the treadmill or whatever cardio, even like walking around the block, a few blocks around, you know, the neighborhood or whatever, I'm gonna wear a waist trainer. That's it. But if I'm strength training, I'm not gonna wear a waist trainer. Let me pull out the other small. I want to see how small it is. I'm on the last notch, and it's like fairly, like actually it's really simple to get on. That's how I know. If it's like loosening and stuff just looks like all like lumpy, it's not. It's keeping you compressed, but it's not really like shrinking your waist anymore. Like it's already done doing whatever inches it's going to. So now it's time to wear the small. I was gonna say, please have more than one notch. This is tiny. I'm excited. It is super scrunched in. But yes, you guys, thank you so much for watching this entire beauty vlog. I love you guys so much.